Hello again, dear followers. This is still Jomira. You know, I'm here in front of the city. I'm waiting for the bus. I have already bought my tickets, you know, just right here. As you can see it, I don't know if it's clear. Yeah, the first step will be from Casablanca to Marrakesh, and then on after we'll move from Marrakesh to Dakhla. So follow me. You won't regret it. You'll see, you know, nice things, pretty things, I hope. So, thank you.
So blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. We're waiting for you, my love, my summer.
So, bon, je suis là devant le CTM, d'accord, donc j'ai déjà acheté mon ticket, voilà, prêt pour le départ, donc voilà, on ira d'abord à Marrakech, d'accord, ce sera la première étape, et après Marrakech, ce sera Dakhla. Oui, donc là je suis devant, j'attends juste le bus pour partir. Voilà, c'est un peu excitant. Donc restez avec moi, on va découvrir ensemble les belles villes, l'intérieur du Maroc, comment ça se passe. Et il y aura des surprises, c'est sûr. À tout de suite.
Good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. And I could walk for days, searching for your praise. But is it even there to find? Chance for me to learn your memories. Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind? you show me how? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind?
Me revoilà, chers amis, voilà, dear followers, je suis encore là, il est pratiquement 20h, ici à Marrakech. On est bien arrivé à Marrakech, donc là on observe une petite pause, le temps voilà, de prendre du café et quelque chose à manger, d'accord, et pour la suite, dans 5-10 minutes, voilà, on va s'en aller pour peut-être pour l'autre étape à Gadir ou Dakhla. Voilà, là bon, je dirais que je ne suis pas trop fatigué, donc voilà, c'est un bus confortable, donc le voyage s'est très bien passé. Là je vais juste en profiter, il y a 5 minutes le temps de boire mon café et de repartir. Donc les amis, on se dit à tout de suite, restez connectés. Hello. Yeah, here we are. I'm in Marrakesh recently, so it's just a step, a kind of break, you know, to take some coffee, to buy something to eat, you know. I have coffee because of the Ramadan. It is the break time, right? Yeah, Jomira is here, you know, it's approximately, I don't know exactly, 8 p.m. Yeah, I'm in Marrakesh presently with my cup of coffee, you know, and some cakes, you know, yeah, to break the fast. Yeah, it was not easy, but the journey was so comfortable from Casablanca till here, so I did not suffer a lot, so it was great. Right now it's a break time. We'll go in 5 minutes. We'll take the way in 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes max. Yeah, this is what it is. So I enjoy my coffee. Holla.